Chile, a pesar de tener una
Although in
trayectoria...
Chile, the main industry has traditionally been the mining industry, we are actually more interested and more focused in drinking water and expanding drinking water in rural regions. We are in the province of Colchagua, and we are focusing on protecting our drinking sources, protecting our water, protecting the environment. What our clients have found in REIT is a new source of safe, practical and easy to use tools. REIT becomes part of the communities in which we work to show the support and to show how proud we are working together in not only creating these industries but also protecting the industries. REIT has shown clearly for more than 100 years that they know how to do things. It's not only a business relationship, but we also get to include the human contact, which makes a great difference.